Hello and welcome to Elif's Kitchen. Today, I want to share a recipe for spinach çılbır, poached eggs with yogurt and butter, which is both practical and very delicious. If you like my video, please hit the like button and to be informed about my new recipes. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon. I chopped about 1 kilo of spinach as you can see in the video. I washed it thoroughly and placed it in a colander. I added about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter to my pot. After the butter melted, I added 1 large onion, finely chopped. I'm sautéing it for a few minutes. After it turns slightly pink, I add about 1 teaspoon of red pepper paste. I sauté it this way for 1 to 2 minutes. I also add 1 to 2 cloves of finely minced garlic. I stir for a few seconds. I add the spinach that was waiting in the colander. I close the lid of my pot. After a few minutes, I open the lid of my pot. I stir. Look, the spinach has started to shrink. I add enough salt and black pepper. I stir. Closing the lid of the pot, I leave it to cook on medium-low heat for about 20 to 25 minutes. Look, after 25 minutes, the spinach is cooked. It also needs to absorb its water. If it hasn't absorbed its water, you should open the lid and cook it this way for a few more minutes until the water evaporates. I set the spinach aside. I will prepare my eggs. I added about 4 to 5 cups of water to a separate pot. It started to boil. I add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. I also add about 1 teaspoon of salt and stir. I placed 1 egg into a ladle. I easily dropped it into the water. I added 2 eggs. You can increase or decrease the amount of eggs according to the number of people. You can also prepare it in individual portions on separate plates for everyone. I usually do it this way. I cook the egg in the water for about 7 to 8 minutes. I took it out with a slotted spoon and placed it in cold water. I place the spinach on my plate. I drizzle garlic yogurt over it. You can also make it by mixing strained yogurt and regular yogurt. I placed my egg on top. I melted about 1 teaspoon of butter, added red pepper flakes to it, and drizzled it over the top. This is how I garnished my çılbır. The çılbır is ready to serve. It's very delicious. It's also very practical to make. I recommend you try it too. Good luck and bon appétit to those who will try it. I'm looking forward to your likes and comments. Thank you for watching my video.